Poor Lydia has the hiccups. So we're going to show you our little experiment. We found something that really works to help. Show people you saw the hiccups. They don't hurt her, but we gotta bother her. So we're going to give her some gripe water. We say gripe water is for colic, but it also helps with hiccups and teething. Okay. Now gripe water is just purified water with fennel and chamomile. And alright, here we go. Get a syringe. Open wide. Here we go. One swallow. We're just taking 3 milliliters right now. Open wide. It tastes yummy, huh? Here we go. Oh, we lost some. Here you go. Yeah. And guess what? The hiccups are gone. Open wide. You can give it to the baby up to every 6 hours. It can't harm them. And you can buy it at your local health food store, or believe it or not, Walgreens carries it on their baby aisle. So it helps her with her colic. It helps with gas. It helps with teething. It helps with hiccups. It made a big difference, huh, Lydia? Yeah, you smile. Do you have the hiccups? No more hiccups.